Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect the wired earphone to this device. So in this device we will not get the headphone jack. Okay, so let me show you how to connect this wired earphone to this device. So with the help of this 3.5 mm audio jack connector, we can easily connect this wired earphone to our phone. So you can see the both sides, you can see here. So I will give the link in the description box. Please check it out. Okay. So first of all, we need to connect our headphone to this connector like this. Okay. After that, we can easily connect this Type-C cable to our phone. Simply. Yeah. Now the headphone is successfully connected to our phone. So simply in this way we can connect our wired earphone to this phone like this. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.